Ito nga, ang Family Christmas Party ay isang pagkakataon upang magbahagi ng saya, kwento at pagmamahalan. Ito ang oras na pwede tayong maglaro, magpakabusog sa masarap na pagkain at gumawa ng mga alaala kasama ang ating pamilya. Panoorin po natin ito.
Christmas unites family at masaya itong ipinagdiriwang dahil magkakasama ang pamilya. At sa pamamagitan ng Pasko, mas naipapadama sa mga bata at kapamilya ang kanilang halaga sa pamamagitan ng pagsasama-sama. Kaya naman bida ang pamilya sa Christmas party ng isang organisasyon kung saan kasama din ang mga kids.
Guys, you have to dance!
We invited the kids over to really experience the decorations, the festivities, and come in their own costumes as well. So if in our Christmas party kami yung naka-costume, this time naman sila yung pumunta dito with their different costumes. And just to feel the Christmas vibes. Every year actually, if it's Halloween or Christmas, merong ganito, there's always this kind of theme where you just bring the magic to the kids. And so when they come here, they know it's not, their parents don't just work, but we also have fun together and we try to be together as much as possible in fellowship.
At maliban nga sa pag-promote ng family unity and fun sa mga kabataan, ay umaapaw din ang pagtutulungan para sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo dito sa bansa.
We're like, let's not hold anything. Let's just donate the funds that we will get. So we donated to Albay, to Virac Catatanduanes as well. So around 200,000 went to the ones in Bicol kasi talagang sila yung devastate. It was a unanimous choice among the employees to decide to take that pause. We believe in the culture of holistic health. So parang lahat ng mabuti para sa kabubuti ng katawan, mind, spiritual, community, we look after, including finance training. So we believe that everyone needs these 5 pillars to be able to say that they're happy and they're healthy because, as you know, health is life. Without it, we won't be able to do and enjoy these things that we're doing.
Masasabing tuwing Pasko, ang bawat isa ay may dalang galak. At anuman ang maging estado ng buhay ay may rason para magdiwang ng Kapaskuhan.
I guess yung pinaka-highlight talaga ng Pasko, yung pagsasama. It's not the decorations, it's not the festivities, it's really being able to spend quality time with the people who matter to you the most, yung pagmamahal. So kahit ano pa yan, kahit simple lang yung handa, kahit walang handa, basta magkakasama, magkwentuhan kayo, just, share your life with one another. That's what Christmas is about kasi Jesus came here to be with us, Emmanuel.
Yes, we know that mahirap ang buhay, pero hindi naman kailangan na kimkimin mo lahat ng suffering, diba? There's still time for joy, there's still time for celebration, kahit konti, kahit simple.
Kaya spread the love and help in our own little way, mga ka-RSP. At mas gawing makabuluhan ang pagdiriwang ng Pasko sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigayan at pagbibigay ngiti.